Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I am a legal intern in Lexis and Company. So in today's video, I am going to talk about a very important landmark case which comes under the ambit of international trade law. And the name of the case is Russia Traffic in Transit. And it is a 2019 judgment. So the Russia Traffic in Transit 2019 case was a significant dispute in international trade law that involved Ukraine's challenge to Russia's restrictions on transit tariffs between the two countries. So now talking about the background of this case, Ukraine filed a complaint against Russia at the WTO over restrictions imposed in traffic between the two countries. Russia implemented measures that hindered the flow of goods, including bans, delays, and inspections on Ukrainian goods passing through the Russian territory. Ukraine argued that the Russia's transit restrictions violated its WTO obligations under the GATT, which is the General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade, and the Agreement on Trade Facilitations. Ukraine claimed that Russia's measures discriminated against Ukrainian goods by subjecting them to more onerous transit conditions compared to the goods from other countries. The transit restrictions created logistical challenges, increased costs, and disrupted trade flows, negatively impacting to the Ukrainian exporters. So now talking about the panel found that Russia's measures violated the national treatment and the MFN principle, which is the most favored nation clauses, by applying more restrictive transit conditions on Ukrainian goods compared to the other countries. The panel emphasized the importance of agreement of trade facilitation, which aims to simplify and expedite the movement, release the clearance of goods, and noted that Russia's restrictions undermined its objectives. In the case took place amid strained political relations between Ukraine and Russia, highlighting the intersection of trade disputes and border geopolitical issues. Traffic in transit case underscored the importance of maintaining open and non-discriminatory transit routes for promoting international trade as well as for facilitating economic cooperation. So now talking about the summary. In summary, the Russia traffic in transit case addressed the issue of transit restrictions imposed by Russia on Ukrainian goods, emphasizing the importance of non-discrimination of trade facilitation obligations under the WTO. The ruling aimed to ensure smoother transit trade and uphold Ukraine's trade rights. So if you guys have any doubt regarding this case, you can just swing me in the comment box and I will clear all the queries out there. So thank you so much guys and have a nice day.